Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage affiliate marketing with Amazon, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, let's start by understanding what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Amazon has one of the largest affiliate programs available. To get started, you need to sign up for the Amazon Associates program. Visit the Amazon Associates homepage and click on the Join Now for Free button. Fill out the required information, including your website or social media links. Make sure to provide accurate contact information for your account. After submitting your application, you'll receive a confirmation email once approved. Once you're an affiliate, log into your Amazon Associates dashboard. Here, you'll find various tools and resources to help you succeed. Start by browsing the product catalog to find items you want to promote. Use the search bar to filter by categories, popularity, or commissions. When you find a product you like, click on the Get Link button. You can choose between a text link, image link, or a combination of both. Customize the link according to your preferences. Copy the generated affiliate link for later use. Next, you'll want to create content that promotes these products. Consider writing blog posts, creating YouTube videos, or using social media. Make sure your content is engaging and relevant to your audience. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content. Be transparent about your affiliate relationship to build trust with your audience. Track your clicks and conversions using the reports available on your dashboard. Analyze which products are performing well and which aren't. Optimize your strategy based on this data. Consider diversifying your content formats to reach a broader audience. Explore seasonal trends and promotions to boost your earnings. Finally, stay updated on Amazon's policies to ensure compliance. As you grow, continue to learn and adapt your strategies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.